Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is the third DIY for my Jumpsuit month series, and it will be a t-shirt transformation. To make this DIY, I used two old t-shirts, a yellow and a black one. The first step, I'm working on the yellow t-shirt. From the neck of the t-shirt, I go down 40 centimeters, with either width from your shoulder to belly button, then drawing a horizontal line there. After cutting, I will have the top of the jumpsuit. The black t-shirt will be the bottom of the jumpsuit. I'm cutting the rectangles with 60 cm length and 40 cm width. They are the maximum length and width I could get from the t-shirt. Because we will make the pants from there, so it's better if you use a very big size t-shirt to have the big rectangles. On the left of the rectangle, I mark at 3 cm at the top, then drawing a straight line down. After that, I mark at 35 cm on the left line, with either width from your belly button to over the crotch, then drawing a curved line to connect that mark to the horizontal line I just drew before. And it will be the front of the pants. On the right side, I do quite similar to the left. However, I mark at 6 cm inside instead of 3 cm like the left side. And we will have the back of the pants for the jumpsuit. Make sure the width between the front and the back line will be the width of the yellow t-shirt, plus 2 cm, and it's also bigger than a half of your hip side. After cutting, I'm connecting two patterns of the pants together at the cross lines by the pins and sewing. Then I connect the end of the cross together after that. I fold the end of the pants inside to hide the cutting and sewing to finish the pants. Next step is connecting the top and the bottom of the jumpsuit together. I connect at two sides first, then connecting the rest later. I use the pins to fit them together. After that, I draw a horizontal line at 3 centimeters inside the top of the connecting line, then sewing. I use a small elastic band at the belly of the jumpsuit to make it fix my body when wearing. I measure the length of the elastic band to know how big of the elastic hole I need to make. Then sewing. Remember to keep a small unsewed space to put the elastic band inside later. As usual, I use the safety pins to do it. Then sewing 2 ends of the elastic band after that and close the unsewed space. At the leftover fabric of the yellow t-shirt, I'm drawing a long fabric line with 3 cm width. Then I fold 2 ends of the fabric to the middle, then folding again to create the fabric belt for the jumpsuit. At the front of the jumpsuit, I cut 2 small holes in the middle, then putting the fabric belt inside. Because the neck of the yellow t-shirt is quite small, so it won't be easy to wear the jumpsuit. Therefore, I'm opening it a bit by cutting around 10 centimeters at the back of the neck. Then I use a 2 centimeters fabric line to hide the cutting line and finish the neck. After that, I install a small button at one side at the top and making a small buttonhole at the other side of the top to close the neck when wearing. And we finished this DIY. Here's my final transformation. This jumpsuit is very cute and easy to make. You can mix and match your t-shirt to have the matching jumpsuit in the color and the style you want. I hope you enjoy this DIY and try it out. Subscribe to my channel to check my other DIYs. See you next week!